Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rashmi Elias and in today's video we will be dealing with the topic counting of triangles. So let's see the shortcut to solve for the number of triangles so that you will get the answer quickly. So let's move on to the first question. In this figure you have to find the total number of triangles. Actually, it will be time consuming if you really want to count the number of triangles and to solve this question. So we have a shortcut for this. So what you have to do is just find the number of bases. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bases are there. So to find the total number of triangles, you just need to add the bases. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer is 10. So using the same shortcut, we can find out the number of triangles in this figure. So what you have to do, just count the number of bases. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bases are there. So what you have to do is just add all these values. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21. But 1 plus 2 plus etc. up to 6. This is the sum of first 6 natural numbers. What is the equation for finding the sum of first n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So here we will get the sum as 6 into 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. We can cancel out 2 and 6, 3 times 3 into 7 is 21. So we will get 21 as the answer. So you can use any of the two methods. That is, either you can add all these bases or you can use the equation. Suppose if you want to find out the number of triangles of this triangle, what you have to do? We can follow the same steps. So count the number of bases. Consider the large triangle without division. How many bases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bases. So how many triangles are formed there? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So in total 10 triangles are there. Now consider the triangle which is formed inside. How many bases are there? 1, 2. So how many triangles will be formed there? 1 plus 2, 3 triangles. So in total 10 plus 3, 13 triangles are there. Next question is to find out the number of triangles in this type of figure. So to solve this question also there is a shortcut. So in this figure, if we consider any side, we can see that there are 4 bases. So what you need to do is just write the bases one below the other. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. After that follow these steps. Take 1, write it here. Now add 1 and 2. Write the answer 3 here. Add this 3 to the next number, that is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Add 6 with the next number, that is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then add all these numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Then what you have to do is just look from the bottom. Leave the first number. Then add the alternate numbers. That is, you have to leave 10, add 6. Plus, leave the next number, then add the next number. That is 1. So, you will get it as 20 plus 6 plus 1. That is 27 triangles are there. Next question. Suppose if we want to find out the number of triangles in this type of figures, what we have to do is just take one diagonal and start numbering from one direction. So here there are how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 triangles. So to find the total number of triangles, just double this. That is 8 into 2, you will get the answer as 16. Now let's see the next base figure. So In this figure, we are asked to find out the total number of triangles. This question is very simple. You can see 4 triangles inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to count the outer triangle also. So in total, there will be 5 triangles. Let's see the second question. So this is the modification of the previous figure. How to solve this question? We know that by neglecting the innermost triangle, there are 5 triangles which we have seen in the previous question. Now when we add the innermost triangle, there will be 4 more triangles extra. So total 5 plus 4, 9 triangles will be there. Let's see the next question. So in this question, if we neglect the vertical lines which divides the triangles, that figure will be similar to the first base figure. And in that figure, how many triangles will be there? 5. Now we know that this vertical line divides this triangle into 2. So 2 triangles will be formed here. In the same way, here also this vertical line divides this triangle into 2. So here also 2 triangles will be formed. In the same way, here also 2 triangles will be formed. So in total, how many triangles will be there? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 triangles will be there. Let's see the next question. So in this figure, how many triangles will be there? So we know that in the base figure, 5 triangles are there. When we add the innermost triangle, 4 more triangles will be formed. Now we know that the vertical lines will divide this triangle into 2. So total 6 triangles will be formed. So how many triangles will be there in the entire figure? That is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 triangles will be there. Next question. So in this figure, how many triangles are there? How to solve this question? First consider the inner square. So we know that when we take one diagonal and start numbering, there will be 8 triangles. So in total, in that square, 8 into 2, 16 triangles will be there. Then here we can see 4 triangles which are being divided by the vertical lines. So we know how to find the total number of triangles in such figures. That is, here there are 1, 2, 2 bases are there. So to find the total number of triangles, what we have to do? Just add those. That is 1 plus 2, 3. That is 3 triangles in one single figure. So like that 4 triangles are there. So 4 into 3, total 12 triangles will be there. Now we have to see for the intersection. We know that at each intersection 2 triangles will be formed. That is, in total at the intersections 4 into 2, 8 triangles will be there. So the total number of triangles in the entire figure is 16 plus 12 plus 8, that is equal to 36. Next is to find the number of triangles in these two figures. So in the first figure, we can see that there are 5 small triangles that is being shown here. Consider this point. With this point, we will get 1 triangle. Now with the second point, we will get the second triangle. With the third point, we will get the third triangle. With the fourth point, we will get the fourth triangle. And with the last point, we will get the last triangle. That is the fifth triangle. So in total, we got 5 triangles from 5 points. In the beginning, we saw that there were 5 smaller triangles. So in total, how many triangles are there? 5 plus 5, 10 triangles. Now in the second question, here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 smaller triangles are there and 1, 2. 2 larger triangles are there. So in total, how many triangles are there? 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8 triangles. Hope you understood how to solve this question. So try to do maximum questions. Then only you will be able to understand how to solve this easily.